Oftentimes, when children are battling life-threatening illnesses and conditions, all of the focus on their treatment goes into their physical recovery. Where Dream CoLab comes in is we'd like to spend more time and focus on their spiritual and their mental recovery. Being a kid, it's so important to continue dreaming, to create, to just use your imagination and just play, just be a normal kid. And that's what we want to use Dream CoLab is to remind kids to continue to do that. The really great thing is we connect them to artists and creators from all around the world to help them see those dreams and those creations come to life. The process is really simple. The kid will just upload his or her favorite drawing, and any of the artists around the world can come in and pick their favorite drawings to work on. They'll spend some time remastering it, and that final piece will be sent back to the child. And all of the collaborations from all the kids, all the creators in the world are going to be put into a gallery. We call it the Dream Gallery. And it's going to be visible for the world to see. Everyone can go in and see their creation together.